Nano, tell me. Pansing ulam. Naaaris ka rin si Mama Mando ko noon na ginagat.
Kanina ka pa soon. Maghapon ka naman soon. Oo. Bato ka. Hindi ka mag-ay. Hello, Pat.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Hello, beautiful. And enjoy your meal. Thank you, Jamie. Jamie, thank you so much for joining again and again and again and again. Over again. That's the most beautiful smile in the world. Walang gang. Yun lang, ugang. Ayun lang. Yahoo! Beautiful Catwoman. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Thank you, Rodriga. Hi, Doc. Thank you, Doc. Oh my God. Thank you joining here again. Thank you, Doc. Meow, 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 meow. I will be here until the cows come home. Where's the cow? Tip like okay easy. Thank you, Rodrigo. Very easy to like on screen. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the likes. Hello, Golden Frieza. Air Tiger. I am the tiger. I am the banana. Nice, Richard. Thank you. Fire. Fire. I'm gonna run. I'm gonna run. The cows wants to be free and they never go home. Where are you? Do you have a farm? Have coffee for me. Thank you. Are you going to start a fight today? Maybe. What fight? I want to fight. Exciting part. Happy part. Happy fight. Enjoying the fight. Satisfying fight. Oh my God. You have a beautiful hair. Thank you, Jamie. In the mug. You crazy girl. Yes, I am. I love nature. Me too, I love nature. I love nature. I really love nature. So much. I know I never. Ah. Babang! Bang! Babang! Babang! I love all. Okay, I'm out then. I'm not a fighter, I'm a lover. Wow, that's a great. I love it. Wow. I'm not a da 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 da. Keep on survivor. I like and subscribe, friends. Okay, please share. Thank you, Rodrigo. Let's go, like, please. Thank you. Please stop being sexy and beautiful because I'm suffering. Suffering for what? Suffering from what? I don't understand why you suffer. The weather here is hot. That's why I need to wear this because hot weather here. If a cold here, I need to wear not this. Suffering. That's a great song. Oh my god, nakakatuwa. Go, 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 go. Cheryl, don't chill when I do it. Okay. Fat. Mm, 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 mm. You are draining the batteries of my peacemaker. Jamie. Oh, oh my god. Is good suffering always when you are involved? What is suffer? Why you know? What what happened to you? Oh my darling. Yes. What? Yes. What can I do for you? Sleep well. Isn't a good with suffering. Okay. Yes. Mr. Wong? Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you, guys. What? What the hell? What? Hello, beautiful lady. Hope you're having a great day. Thank you. What? What the hell? See you later, girl. Cute, wonderful. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Rodrigo. Zainab, well, what the heaven? The heaven for what? Thank you for the. We're talking about, guys. Si Mira con las Manoy. Y si toca con lo. Oh, ha? What? What it means? Jamie. Lol. Lol? You are my God. You are my God. Bye. Don't forget like my friends. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Rodrigo. Oh my God. Thank you for the 9 people here now. Meow, 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 meow. You look beautiful in the morning and you look beautiful at night. I am waiting to see how you look throughout the whole year. Ever. Ever. Your cat there. Cat, meow, 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 meow. Where's the cat? Old school talking because you are so far away. I'm far, far away, guys. I need somebody to hear, somebody to know. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I can still can't love the way you know what the pain deeply into nightfall. You're not here, you get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pull around. I can see kind of me.
naman ng chihuahua.
Are the sunflower seeds again? Yes, John. The sunflower seeds again. I go to do some groceries. I will be back in a few minutes. I wish I can get some flowers to you. Maybe one day. Oh my god. I never flowers ever since I'm young. And the real flowers, not a plastic flower. I want real flower, the bouquet. Yes. Never, Jimmy. I'm about to pan you. Understand? Are you a cat lady today? Meow. They must be good because she look beautiful. I'm good, but sometimes I'm bad. Yeah, I'm bad sometimes.
Wow.
No, no. I can go to sleep listening to you singing. That's a beautiful song. Wow.
Bilog ka.
Wow, wow, what Carabao.
Oh,
How the Carabao, the bat, putin, bat. Mom.
hindi talaga. Hindi sa paano eh.
Oh my God, may eye bags. Gusto mo, men? Hmm. Di ko alam kung tama ba ito. Maintindihan mo. Grabe na to. Ako tangan ni tabi kita mo rin sa akong may tent na si ano kay nag-order ako. Wait guys, wait.
Pakitaan natin. You are so sweet. You are so sweet, 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 sweet. Wee. Thank you for the thumbs up. Hindi ko na yata
Upang
Upang kaibigan pa.
Round din.
Hmm.
Kelda, Kelda.
Have you ever really loved a woman song by Brian Adams? Look for the classic version. I will try. I will try that song. But I heard that before.
Oh,
My
ano
sister
siya?
sang that song. Have you ever loved a woman? Have you ever loved? Yes, Cassie. What can I do for you, Cassie?
I can please.
Oh my god. Thank you for the 9 people watching. Thank you guys. How are you? How are me? How me? Funny woman. Funny woman living on the streets. Yes, Kazi. Tell me what you want. Nano. Jadi ha. Gusto mo tiyang? Gusto mo tiyang? Funny woman walking down the streets. Funny woman. Oh my god! She wants to be a star like. Okay, fine. Whatsoever. John, what are you doing, John? What are you doing? What are you doing? Tell me. What are you doing? What? You need to reply as soon as possible. I want to wait.
No.
Okay.
Uy, Kitty. Ano? Kitty.
Nais ko malaman mo ang puso kong ito para lang sa'yo. Nandito ako. It's fun watching. Yeah, really fine. Funny, funny. Thank you. I entertain my friends here on YouTube. What you want me to do, John? What you want me to do? Tell me, John. Tell me. You make me smile. Really, you're so cute, John. I have a friend here, old batchmate since grade school. His name is John also. He's kind. He's kind. Yeah. Hope you kind. So. He married. My friend is married and he have 3 kids. Happy married. Good name. Huh? Good name. I'm happy to hear the song Sweet Lord. How old are you, Sir Jamie? I forgot. I forgot because you like old songs. I'm Well, sweet lady, I have to go now. Okay, going to sleep now. Have a wonderful, beautiful day. Thank you. Thank you for joining here, Jamie. Jamie, thank you for joining here. God bless you. Goodbye. See you later. See you again next my next live. What?
Ginagamit lang ako. Ginagamit lang ako.
Thank you for watching, guys. 26 people here now. My gulay. Thank you. Where are you from, guys? What are you doing? What do you want? Ang kulit.
Surrender ko kasi.
Hindi maamin
Bonfire.
ang damdamin. Naniniwala ka na sa aking feeling. I have to go now, so I'm going shopping. Okay, John, can you shop me? Yes, thank you. Hope you shop me. Can you buy me a uh, what? Um, Jollibee. Thank you for the 9 thumbs up and 29. Anything you want? Really? Anything I want? Yeah.
Tara, madulog ka ngayon.
Tell me.
Tara.
Anything. Buy me anything. I accept it.
Ison. Kunin ako.
Buy me what this? Nutella. Nutella, not. Nutella. This joke. Tell me what. Thank you for the thumbs up. 34 period. I 34 million now here. Hello, sis. Please send me your address. Hi, see Marin. Why? Why I need to send you the address? Why should I send? No C. No C Balasi. Bye. Bye, John. Bye, John. No seed, no Balasi. Sido. Simba sila. No seed, no Balasi. Sino ba sila? Thank you for 31 people here. Thank you. Gab. Thank you for 31 people here. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining my live. Thank you, guys. One day, not so far away, we're going to have a nice conversation. Really? Puto.
pagbigyan talaga. Nice one, Johnson.
Thank you for 25 million here.
Thank
Thank you. Gusto mo pa?
Okay, ina, please. No!
Naamin ang damdamin. Thank you so much. The 26 million here. Thank you guys.
Idero, fight eh.
Mga sandaling dati anong saya inipiling
Yeah, fight eh, ready.
ang limutin. Mawala ka na. Ngunit paano nga ba ang pag-ibig mo'y magbabalik? Bakit ko na nasaktan kita ng labis? At sinabi ko sa'yo na kaya kong magpinta. Bakit ngayon hinahanap kita? Ikaw pa rin ang hanap ko, namang ang puso ko.
First blood.
Gawa na ka mo.
Dugo yun.
Ayun tayo mo ikaw sa di kanina. Thank you for joining. Magkasikaso ka na gab, kay mahalin na kita.
Kapag
Oh, bahal kita gamit mo. He says, is your voice very nice? Anyway, you are... No, I'm not a singer. I'm not a singer. Oh my God. Are you joking? Anju Tulase. Hi, Anjo Tulase. Thank you so much for joining here. Simarin. Thank you, Simarin.
hindi ko ba pinatay.
What up, poop, poop. Simarin. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love Philippines, guys. Thank you for watching. Simarin. The Simarin. Thank you for the 11 million thumbs up. Simarin. Where are you from, Simarin? Where are you from? To forget. Ano pa? Ah. Dua. Nice, Tia. Tia nga. Tia nga. Tiyangan. Buka. Buwan. I am from Nagaland influence. What? Where Nagaland? What part Nagaland? Europe, America, Asia, India? Where from? Where's that country? Hello, 7M GB9. That's MGB. Like that. Thank you. Asia. Where part in Asia? It's a country. Nagaland is a country or is just a city? Simmering. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for watching, guys. 35 million here now. Go, go, go for a like of this queen. Thank you, 7 million. GB9. Does M3B. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for cheering me up. My channel. Thank you so much. Northeast India. Okay. Northeast India. Okay. Nice to meet you, Simoran. Nice to meet you. The Simoran. Thank you for the Simoran. How can I fall in you? Just won't give me a reason. Just won't give me a reason. How can I fall? How can I fall? How can I fall in you? Just won't give me a reason. Thank you, guys. Thank you, 25 million. Go, go, go. Ah! And I say, how can I fall? How can I fall? Just won't give me reason. Francisco Torremo Taharo. Hola, hola. Hola. You're looking like Naga. Naga? Really? Nagaraya. Looking like a Nagaraya. Hi, Francisco Torimachikaro. Mag-asikaso ka na, Gab. Asikaso ka na yun, Gab. We are similar. Why? Why is similar?
Sayang is
You just won't give me reason. Lucky Dad Channels. Dad Channels. Just won't give me reason at all. How can I fall? How can I fall? Fun English. Fran. Fran, can you speak in English? Are you Spanish? Spanish? Where are you from, Fran? You are single. Sorry, you are single. What do you mean? I'm not single. I'm not single. How can I fall? How can I fall when you just won't give me reason? Won't give a reason at all. At all. Da, da, da. Oh my gulay. Mm. When you just won't give me reason, just won't give me reason. Come on, stalkers. Stalkers. Sabi naman.
Ay! Uy! Ayang dito tato mo, boy.
You had too much in mind. I tried to run from the sun,
Mabunggo daw ako.
but it please I hide.
Nakaangkat, siyempre.
Reminds me. When I turn out of the lights, even the night slowly reminds me of you. You. Come back to me.
Hala. Wala po po ito yun. Ano, kinis? Ano ko sada? Pira kamisis. Ano, kisa niya ako lima. Sabi sa punta. Ako lang magasulok ko lang punta.
Before too much
Ulti, adi.
noise.
Iba ka.
Ano
ko? Overtake yan. Batak ka! Hindi lang paano.
Slowly reminds me of you.
Batak ko niya to ah.
Thank you, Lord.
Ay, idayarot na yan. Sana MVP.
Thank you for the thumbs up.
Oh! Ano po si ano? Si Aray ko po.
Hello, love from Colombia. From Colombia. We love Enrique's Galeana. Enrique. Hi, Enrique. Sa Galeana.
Creation Camp. Creation Camp. Okay. Creation Camp. Ay,
Thank you so much for watching. 17 people watching and 16
Nacho ulit ako
likes.
kay Chihuahua.
Thank you, guys.
Magkadoon.
Mag-asikaso ka na, Gab.
Isang dita na.
Come back to me. Yoyam Army Chub. Army Chub. Yoyoy. Yeah. Come Tamo na yan, sige mag-ibang, huwag kang magpakaibang. Problema sa laki dapat ininda.
O, bayan mo sila.
Magabot sa'yo, diba?
Attorney ko, pag hindi ka nagbago, hindi ka makakalaya. Oh, paglaya mo ulit ka. Paglaya mo ulit ka.
Sabi ko naman
Sa'yo,
sa'yo,
pag-
lahat yan nagluloko.
Itanlad ka ito, mama. Sa ano, didiyo?
Kahit na nakalimutan ko.
Ano, si mama mandaw ko na.
Sabi ko naman sa'yo, lahat yan nagluloko.
Hindi magloko. Sabi ko naman sa'yo, hindi na tayo magloko. Pag hindi nagkalayo, hindi tayo... Ito, nalimutan ko na. Okay, my turn. Sabi ng katorne ko, pag hindi ka nagbago, hindi ka magkakalayo. Ito. Di nakapindot didiya. Nagod ako na
Go stop. Gab
si
stop.
Kurt. Kurt, ito Kurt. Hindi kayo Kurt.
Kit Bandilala. Kit Bandilala, hi.
iPhone drop kaya kita.
I just wanna love you forevermore. I just wanna society to time. Today is someday. This is forevermore. Ooh, I just wanna love you.
Boys, phone drop po. Tapos yung build.
I just wanna love you
Ah!
forevermore.
Mahirap pa naman ako sa iyo.
Alright.
So, magkaduo.
Hello, what?
Magkaduo, ten.
Carlos, Savandra, beautiful Linda, my like her legs. Love from Colombia, you love Linda, my like. Hello, Mama, and hello, Bibi. Hi, Kit Bandalala. Cheryl, why you must you sing? Please get Nick love. Huh?
May, nagpapa-shoutout sa imo. Oh,
Virgil Brugan. Hi, Virgil Brugan. I just wanna love you forevermore.
Sa creation
Showing
ka pa.
your surrounding house, please. Oh, my house is not good.
Una yung idol ko ata.
Sorry. Uy, ayusin na gab. Ay,
Una,
nako.
nag-creation ka pa.
Di ko nalugod di ko pa-intra. Nano?
Grabe ka.
Ano?
Lang.
Nagkaon na ka mo? Nagkaon na. Nakakaon pa lang ng God. Taod-taod na. Makakaon pa lang pero taod-taod. I just wanna love you forevermore. Kit English. Bakit naman mag-isa ng kit lang? Ba't ganyan ang pangalan mo? Oh, really good man. Joel Diaz. Hi, Joel. Makakasunog kita. Go! Hindi na gab. I don't like you anymore now. Oh my God. Daghanan ang binarakan ko sa mga towel. Nagkawara na. Hello, miss. You speak Spanish, love? No, I'm not speaking Spanish. Elias, I said love. You've done eating. Yeah. Oh. Saan in English ito na nagkaon ka na? Sorry, I don't understand Arabic. Lobby, Elias Rivero, Mr. Tochka. Hello from Russia. Hi, Mr. Tochka from Russia. Welcome to the Philippines. Cheryl English. Oh my, sorry, sorry. Salami, madam. Thank you for the thumbs up. Oh my god. Hi from Korea. Opa. Wow, 3:31. Yes, 31. Gi Arabic ko na ang nagkaon ka na. Okay. Gi Arabic ko na. Gusto ng mad ko yung English. Hello, Portuguese. Fala, you're from Portugal. You are Portuguese. Okay. Hola, Linda, please get... Oh my God. No, Carlos, behave. Oh my God. Carlos,
Sarado ba dito? Alas 10 na, mama.
Carlos, calm down.
Mama, dito kita makaon.
Kaya,
Alas 10.
ay nako, dili ka na mag, kung irugsunan, mo. I just wanna love you forevermore. I just said thank you, Golden. What are you doing, Golden? Nah. I just wanna love you forevermore. Unsa ginasudaan nyo, hatag mo sudaan. Wala pa sudaan, kaatab-atab pa, sudaan agad. Pamakaw pa lang. Not yet. Food for lunch, just for a breakfast. Kit Bandilala. Where are you from, Kit Bandilala? Here in the Philippines? My kulay. Kit, I said English. Goodbye. Have a nice... Oh my kulay. Oh. Boy. Jonathan Ansanin. Elias vehicle pays. What means? Oh my god. Fernando 5693 das I3 explain niya ng pangalan. Hello world. Hello. Thank you for the 22 people here now. I just wanna love you forevermore. Just love you forevermore. Ready, Fernando. Hi, Fernando. Good morning, Cheryl. How are you doing? Hi, guys. Thank you for joining here again. You are cute. Thank you, Jonathan. Where are you from, Jonathan? To habla español. I'm not español. I don't understand español. Can you speak English, Fernando? Can you speak English? Sika! Hey, Buzz. What happened to Sergey Gori? I don't see him around anymore. Gus, not Buzz. I Gus. Yeah, where Gary? What happened to him? Cats. Yeah, cats. Hey, beautiful Robert Compton. Hi, Robert Compton. Stand up. Why? Because you are my fan here on my YouTube. Oh, well, you're queen. Your wish is my command. I just want, yes. Walex, I see him regularly. Maybe. Wow, that's great. Maybe, maybe Tim, Greg, he blocked you. That's why you don't recognize him. Nice. Thank you. Welcome, George Moltobella. Hi, Moltobella. What it means? Mino multo ko ulan damdamin mo. Beautiful Punjab pharmacy. Pretty fit. Hi guys, I love you guys. Mahal kita guys. Johnny Alabata. Charot. Gusto mo pa? Gusto mo pa? Mag-asikaso ka na ga. Beautiful miss. Oh, kasi.
Damay, mandusin atin.
Are ka na. Kumuha ka din na kung. Oh, kaya na. Simen, saka na simen. Wala simen. Age 55 plus, okay. Oh. Beautiful miss. Me, I'm 50 years old. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Salamat. Cheryl, stop giving these kids money. This is not a money. It's a sunflower seeds. Oh my god. This is not a money. Oh my god. Hello, how old are you? I'm 40 years old. 40. This is they like sunflower seeds. I mean, although you remember Min? He likes sunflower. Say hi, Min. Say hi. Hi. Oh. You are very sweet. Thank you, Fernando. Fernando Jose. Super fine. Minumulto na ako ng damdamin mo. Ng damdamin mo. Di super fine. You are very sweet. Oh my god. You know. Super fine. Good morning, beautiful mother. Hi, there is what? You are. Robert, thank you, Robert. What language do you speak? Tagalog. English. You can speak English here, Fernando. English here. Speak English, Fernando. Yep. Hi, sweetie. Hi, Jose. Jose. Okay. Cristobal Canovales. Hi. Thank you for the 18 people here. Hello, my dear. Hi. Do you have kids? Yes. I have one kid. What city are you in? Bicol. I'm from Bicol province, Philippines. Diri ko na ikaw gapaintrawan ko ni Rukason kanina pa ako singkaan. I need to end the live because I need to do something. Bye guys. Thank you for joining. Hope you join my live again next live. What are you living? Where are you living? Bicol province. Bicol province. I live here in the Bicol province, Philippines. Philippines. I'm a Filipino. See her next time. Thank you, Galen. Thank you for joining my live. Bye, guys. See you later. See you next live. Bye. Love you all. Ang kulit.